Test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device and the emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, section-built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending severe weather and or hazards for the Florida Panhandle, southeast Alabama, southwest, and south central Georgia. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available non-severe or non-weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for launches and warnings affecting the Florida Panhandle, southeast Alabama, southwest, and south central Georgia. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA radio warning alarm and the emergency alert system for the entire county warning area serviced by the Tallahassee Weather Forecast Office. These are the 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time conditions. At the Tallahassee Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 84 degrees. The wind was calm. At Florida State University, the temperature was 81 degrees. The wind was southwest at 2 miles an hour. At Apalachicola, it was sunny. The temperature was...
Okay, let's go over here and get rid of our alert reminders.
The temperature was...
Alright, let's go over what failed. Okay, so everything up here activated correctly except the 262, which never activates. Down here, black ER10 activated. White ER10 activated. 1650. 67 failed.
87 degrees.
Okay, that explains it. This obviously failed. 251 went off. This failed surprisingly.
6 miles an hour.
This failed, of course.
Keaton B.
It always fails. Okay. This failed. Deborah 300 went off. So did this. So did this. The 259 went off. Version 2 went off. 7420 went off. And this one off. Something that caught my eye was the WX500 that went off for a Toon TV warning. Like, you could have at least went off for Toon TV's statement. We could have heard the statement tone. Seriously. You decoded it for 20 minutes.